Step into a world where machines outpace human thought, cars navigate themselves, and games blur the line between virtual and reality. NVIDIA is building this world, but is this just the start of their AI revolution? Let's explore why NVIDIA's stock is soaring and the impact it's having on our world with futuristic AI visuals. In 2024, NVIDIA has taken the reins in AI hardware and software, from fueling ChatGPT to revolutionizing self-driving cars and gaming. This tech powerhouse is reshaping industries like never before. But what's driving its monumental growth? Is NVIDIA the stock of the decade, or a bubble waiting to burst? Let's find out. NVIDIA's supremacy in AI begins with their state-of-the-art GPUs, particularly the H100 chips, the backbone of AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard. Over 80% of the AI market leans on NVIDIA's GPUs, with industry leaders like OpenAI and Tesla using them to redefine innovation. NVIDIA's stock has skyrocketed over 200% in 2024, making it a top-ranked global stock. Its quarterly revenue has far surpassed expectations, mainly due to the demand for AI and data centers. With a market cap surpassing $1 trillion, NVIDIA now stands among the elite with Apple and Microsoft. While NVIDIA holds the throne, it's not without its challenges. Increasing competition from AMD and Intel, along with potential regulatory scrutiny, may pose obstacles. However, with its innovative leadership, NVIDIA remains the frontrunner in the AI race. So is NVIDIA laying the groundwork for the future of technology, or is it merely a passing trend? What's evident is its undeniable impact on AI and innovation. Whether you're an investor or tech enthusiast, NVIDIA's story demands attention. Share your thoughts in the comments, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and investing insights.